Recently, Moonbeam has unveiled Moonrise Points, the latest interactive activations of Moonrise campaign. This new innovation redefines how participants engage with their platforms, offering exclusive benefits and incentives to dedicated community members. Join us on today's episode of How to Use and Learn How to Earn Moonrise Points, only on Polkadot Insider. Now let's join, swap, and collect points to climb the leaderboard with these step-by-step instructions. Here's an overview for the whole process. Access quest.moonbeam.network. Log in with your wallet. You can choose from MetaMask, Subwallet EVM, or Talisman EVM. Complete all the quests from 6 projects on the main page. Earn points and climb the leaderboard. Check your ranking position at the leaderboard tab on the main page. Now let's look at how to complete 6 quests as mentioned. We will go one by one and start with our first quest on Moonbeam. Follow Moonbeam on Twitter. Tweet your referral link. Refer your on-chain bestie. Click on the tab and your reference code will appear here. Then use it to gather more friends. Join a Discord server. Use Parachain Bridge. Click on the tab and find the link for bridging. You will then have the access to the website. Follow the step-by-step on the website. Use Acala Bridge. Follow the steps above and access the direct website, the Start to Bridge. Click on the symbol on the top right-hand side of the tab and copy the transaction for submission. Use Wormhole Bridge. Click on the tab on the wormhole symbol and do the same as the Acala Bridge task. Do your check-in daily. Our second quest is on Moonwell. Follow Moonwell on Twitter. Join Moonwell Discord. Finish weekly tasks such as supply GLMR, USDC, or DOT. Remember, tasks are only available for a period and will automatically log after the deadline. Do your check-in daily. Our next quest is on Uniswap via Oku Trade. Follow their Twitter account. Like Oku's best rates on-chain announcements. Join Oku's Discord. Swap on Oku Trade. Click on the tab and find the link for swapping on Oku Trade. Provide liquidity on Oku Trade. Click on the tab and find the link for providing LP on the Oku Trade. Do check-in daily. Our fourth quest is on StellaSwap. Follow StellaSwap on Twitter. Like and retweet announcement on Twitter. Cross-chain swap for at least $25. Provide at least $25 of liquidity into StellaSwap pool. Swap at least $25. Stake 1,000 of Xstella. Join StellaSwap Discord server. Do check-in daily. Now move to the quest on BeamSwap. Follow BeamSwap on Twitter. Like and retweet BeamSwap pin post. Add liquidity. Stake BLP. Open a position. And do your check-in daily. The last quest is on Prime Protocol. Follow Prime Protocol on Twitter. Deposit on Prime. Over 50 GLMR. Over 2 XC DOT. Over 10 XC USDT. And more than 10 USDC. Last but not least, do your daily check-in. And that is our complete guideline. We hope you find it useful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.